Hey guys, welcome back to a new unboxing video. So today I'll be unboxing my new BTS album, which is Map of the Soul 7 version 2. This album actually came a week ago, but I didn't unbox it yet because I wanted to unbox it with you people. So here I am with the unboxing video. I didn't even remove the plastic packaging on it. The way I did last time, I didn't do it this time. As I said in the vlog already that I wanted to unbox it with you people. I don't want to damage the packaging. This is just so beautiful. And as you people know that I'm very noob at unboxing, so please bear with me. Let me just get rid of this plastic wrap. Okay, the album feels so premium. I love how it looks. You people don't know how excited I was while making this video, because I'm gonna see the album with you people right now. This is the first time I'm seeing it. So this is how it looks from the front. You people might not be able to see this, but it also has the same texture as Map of the Soul Persona had. So this is Map of the Soul 7, the 7, Map of the Soul, and the beautiful blue 7. I guess this album is also called the Dark Theme album, the Black Swan album. So this is the spine of the album, which has a BTS logo on it, Map of the Soul 7 version 2. And this is how it looks from behind. A BTS logo up there. Some big hit details. And this is the exterior look of the album. I just love it. It feels so premium. So we'll just open the album, see what's inside it. Okay, the photo card is already out. I didn't want to do it this way. I wanted to keep a suspense at the end, but I couldn't. So this is Map of the Soul 7 card. I don't know what this is, but I have to hide the QR code as most of the people do. Okay, again I pulled out Jungkook. I actually, added a story on my Instagram for people to guess what photo card I pulled out. So this is what I pulled out. Jungkook again. I got Jungkook in my last Persona album also. So we'll keep all of those things aside and we'll see it later on. First of all, we are gonna see what's there inside the album right now. So this is a CD which has the same blue 7 on it, Map of the Soul 7 version 2. It has all the 19 songs in it, which I'm gonna listen to later on in my laptop. So this time they didn't give a photo book, instead they gave posters maybe. I don't know what this is. It's in a plastic album. It's not plastic, but plastic kind of feeling paper album. A beautiful 7 sticker on it. I'm not gonna remove that sticker. It feels so good. So let me just keep this aside and we'll see what's inside the photos right now. Maybe they just wanted to go eco-friendly and that's the reason this time they didn't give a photo book. Okay, these are kind of paper feeling, so they are not even posters. And I'm not gonna put up these posters anywhere. I'm gonna preserve it. I'm gonna keep it inside the album itself. So this is the back part, I guess. Yeah, BTS logo back part, and this is the front of the photos. They made a booklet of it, kind of booklet. It's not clipped together. Wow, I'm just loving this picture. Can you all look at this beautiful picture? That's an OT7 picture. Okay, that's Jin. Amazing. Just have a look at this. I'm loving the dark theme, to be very honest. I love black color and this is like what I love. Junie, he is my all-time bias. A heart for you. So we'll look at all the pictures. Okay, this is Jin. Okay, the first picture was Hobie. Okay, I got confused. Sugar. Okay, it's Jungkook. Amazing pictures. Jimin. Wow. You people are gonna love these pictures. Taeyang. He looks so cute. Although it's a black theme, but just have a look at it. He looks so cute. An OT7 picture. This picture has my heart. Amazing. They look so satanic yet so elegant. I'm just loving this. V. They look so good in this. Jimin. Look at his hairs. Jimin has the most, like if I am seeing, I love Jimin's hair in every look. Hobie. I love these pictures. Jin, our worldwide handsome as always. He looks so good. This is my love. Hobie. Why does Hobie look so hot in this? So these are all the pictures that were there inside the photo book, I can say. So yeah, I'll just keep this aside and see what else was there inside the album. So as I already showed this, as I got the pink the notes book in the Persona one, I got a blue one in this one. The sides are kind of fold, I don't know why, but it's fine. And everything is in Korean, so I won't be able to translate it right now, but I'm gonna read what's inside it later on. I wish the sides weren't folded, but it's fine. So this is all that's inside the notes. It's totally in Korean. I can't really understand it right now. This has my heart. An OT7 postcard. This is just so good. Of course, with a photocopy of all their signatures. I couldn't recognize the signatures of the members, but later on when I saw on YouTube, I got it. This is just a card. I don't know what it's for. I got it inside the album. It's also kind of folded from the edges, but it's totally fine. This is a color paper. I am gonna color it. Maybe I am gonna color it. It's also folded, but it's fine. And I am gonna use a lot of stickers from these. These are the stickers that were made by the members, and these are the photocopy of those stickers. These are the art of the members. I'm just loving it. I'm gonna put that BTS and ARMY once on my phone. I'm just loving it. So here it is again, the photo card that I pulled out. Jungkook again. Maybe that's a coincidence that I pulled Jungkook twice in my Map of the Soul Persona also, and Map of the Soul 7. And this time they gave a separate lyrics book. Not like last time, because in Map of the Soul Persona they had the photo book and lyric book just in one. So these are the 19 songs on the track list. We're gonna see all of the lyrics inside the lyric book. This is the index. It has all the 19 songs. I guess the first 5 songs are already in Persona. So this is the first song which is intro Persona. It's also into Persona album. Second song which is Boy With Love, one of my favorite. Third song is Make It Right. Once again a beautiful song. Jamais Vu, amazing song. Dionysus. Okay, till this song it was there in Persona also. So the next song is Interlude Shadow, which is also a very good song. Black Swan. This song is currently my ringtone, and I'm loving this song. The next song is Filter. Most of the armies know what Filter has. The next song is My Time. Louder Than Bombs. Okay, this is also one hella song. I'm loving it. On. The most amazing song. The choreography of the song is just amazing. Okay, I missed one song. The next song is 0 O'Clock. Inner Child. All of these songs are just beautiful songs. Friends. I love the song also. Moon. And Respect. All of these songs are just so beautiful. If you people are watching this, watching the Tracklist for the first time, please listen to these songs. Also, via Bulletproof Eternal, it's my top favorite, I can say that. So these are the songs from the track list. As it was just like the last one, thanking all the members at the end, and some credits at the end maybe. Okay, yeah, the credits. Again, the track list of the songs. So this was the complete album unboxing. I know I had to make you people wait for so long for the unboxing video, but I was kind of waiting for my tripod, which hasn't come yet. So I got a tripod from a friend of mine, and that's how I shot the video. So I hope you people liked the video. If you did, please share this video to armies and make this video go a bit viral. Maybe can we hit at least 300 likes or 300 views and 100 likes on the video? But it's totally fine. Already we are on 350 subscribers. Thank you so much for that thing also.